One of the first things I've noticed about the T8J is the throttle is a bit ratchety. You can hear this. So it's not particularly very smooth. So like that one, that's obviously quite smooth, but this one. Now what you can do, you can actually replace the little plate at the back, which you can replace, which smooth this out a little bit. But what it does involve is actually taking the back off. So something I found with this hobby sort of very quickly and very early on is that DIY is a major part. So basically in the items that you get, basically is a little bag with these two items. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and show you how to swap this over. Alright, there we go. Right, and what we're interested in is behind here. I don't know if you can quite just see it. Just one more thing is you can see that there, that's what's making the noise. So what you have to do is take this plate off and replace that there. So again, quick simple job. Okay, and that's basically what we're replacing. Just be careful when you put this back in. You need to make sure that there is pushing down the throttle, which is what basically forces it to sort of zero position. Okay, so basically again another quick screw. Takes that off. And this is what you're replacing it with. Now, I did have to, that's when you get that's going to be sort of fairly flat. So I did have to bend that a little bit. So you'll also need to sort of a bit of trial and error to get that to the right angle. Alright, that's the new one back in place there. There is a little, you probably can't make that out, there's a little notch just there, so it allows this to be lined up straight. Just about make that out there. So you can then just make sure that's straight, and then it's a case of taking this. One thing you'll notice is that this is not going to make it totally smooth, because that is obviously got grooved all the way down it, so it's not going to be totally smooth, but it's going to obviously be better than what it was. Make sure they're nice and tight. Alright, and there, now the lever. Again, it's still a bit clicking, but it's a lot smoother than it was. Okay. There you go, and it's working again. Like I say, that's a lot smoother than it was. That's fairly simple, fairly quick, and you'll be done in about 10 minutes, if that.